Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Location. This gives you access to stored data. Tap Location, make sure the toggle is on so options appear, then choose Google Location History or Account Activity to manage records. You do this because Android centralizes history under your Google account, and accessing it now avoids wasted back-and-forth later. Once done, you'll see the timeline or account entry. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before proceeding. You now inspect records using Manage Activity so you can pick specific deletions. This is where control matters. Tap filters to narrow by date range, device, or places, because deleting everything when you only need to remove one visit is unnecessary. Select entries to delete or choose Delete Range to remove multiple days. Make sure to confirm each deletion when prompted. This ensures you don't accidentally erase useful location data. Once you've removed items, review remaining. To remove everything, select Delete All Location History and follow the confirmation prompts. You're erasing the timeline tied to that account. After deletion, force a sync or sign out and back in to ensure servers reflect the change. Make sure to disable location history if you want future visits not recorded. If things go wrong, like history reappearing, check you deleted the right Google account, verify sync is enabled, and clear cache for the Google app before repeating the deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.